Once again, it's on, folks. Welcome back. Bill, Melton, what are we going to do?
Well, hello, friends and family, brothers and sisters. We'll see a turn, and then we'll go have a burn.
Say it again, Bill.
Well, hello, friends and family, brothers and sisters. We'll see a turn, and then we'll go have a burn.
Hell yeah. All right, folks. Welcome back. I filled the gaps, the holes that did not get filled from the original acrylic powder and epoxy. It's different colors, but it doesn't really matter. I made a flat spot so I can drill my holes for the ferro rod, and I marked the approximate centers. Let's turn a couple of handles, folks. Thank you to Steve's Woodworking and Homestead, or the other way around. I'll leave a link to his channel so you can check out his videos. This is the micro beaver. Oh yeah, it looks nice. All right, I'm gonna add some CA glue around the pith hole so it doesn't become too soft. Sanding sealer. Redneck Renegades sanding paste. All right, let me flip it around and finish the tail. A little bit of live edge here. Yeah, but it's gonna come off. Pretty soft bark. All right, let me finish the tail. Let me sand this, and then I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. Here it is. 2 handles from the piece of wood that Steve sent me from Steve's Woodworking and Homestead. Check this one out. Pretty cool. I filled the pith hole with some acrylic powder from my daughter's nail kit and epoxy. Check it out. 1/2 inch diameter ferro rod by 5 inches long. Here's the other one. Hell yeah. Nice ferro rods. Alright folks, so these 2 ferro rods are going to be given away. But you can only win them on Open Air Fish Market. Tommy, he did a Freedom Fatwood Friday, and you can see all the details over there on winning these 2 ferro rods. He's gonna have 2 winners, 1 ferro rod for each winner. Hell yeah. Again, I'll leave a link to Steve's Woodworking and Homestead, and Tommy, he's the one that's having the giveaway. All right, now for a Fatwood Freedom Sunday Fire. Hell yeah. Check out one of my favorite knives from 73 Forge. Beautiful knife. Keeps an edge. It stays very sharp, folks. This particular steel, hell yeah. I've sharpened it a little bit, but just hone it up. Very, very sharp. Of course, this is my high-speed steel striker with some Mississippi hickory wood that Mr. Bones sent me, and my original ferro rod with a Tom Chitwood handle. I had this ferro rod for many years, man, many years. It's still long and strong, ready to get the friction on. All right, enough of that. Since I got the wood from Steve, I'm gonna use some of this Michigan fatwood that he also sent me to do my fire. I'll be using my big brother from Fab Creations. All right, folks, one more thing. Check out Fab Creations. Bruce, I haven't seen him in a while. But anyway, go out to his current video. I'll leave a link at the end screen. Click on that video and say hi to Bruce, man. Wish him well. I haven't seen him in a while, at least 3 months. Let's do the fire, folks. Hell yeah. Some Michigan gold here, folks. We're gonna do some carving right now. There's a knot right here, so a little bit rough. You can never have too much fatwood, folks. The Michigan gold right here. All right, folks. I'm gonna try to land globs of molten metal from the top. Let's see how that goes. There it is. I was asked by a guy if I could do that. Of course you can. Check it out.